Do you want to try GearUP Booster for free before paying? You can get a free trial pretty easily, and I'll show you how. First, open your browser and search for GearUP Booster. Make sure you open the official GearUP website. Once you're on the site, download and install GearUP Booster on your computer. After installing, launch the app. Now look for a game to optimize. Go to the games page and select from a list of games. For example, you want to optimize League of Legends. Next, the app will ask you to sign in your account via Google, Discord, or Facebook. Once you've logged in, it'll take you to the plan and billing screen. Simply click the free trial button and choose your mode of payment and next, your payment details. Quick tip, test it in a few different games to see which servers give you the best results during the trial. Also, auto-renewal is enabled in GearUP, so if you don't want to get billed, cancel the plan immediately after your free trial. And that's it, you're now using the GearUP Booster free trial. Try it out and see if it improves your connection. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.